the one, the only, Ben Sion. Good morning and welcome to YouTube Daily Doubles. Continuing with Sechas Beitzah, Perek Daled, Mishnayos Vav, and Zion. We're finishing the fourth parak of Sechas Beitzah. Mishnah Vav says, "Relezer Omer, Nota Adam Kisim Mishalafan of Lasis Poshinov, Magabim and Achatzer Umadlik, Shkol Mash Achatzer Muchanu." He said you could even take a small piece of wood in your house, or according to Relezer, even in your Chatzer. Even though normally we said yesterday, 8 are only Nidula Asaka, they're only meant to use as firewood or to light your stove, which are purposes of Ochel Nefesh. He holds, for some reason, we'll explain why in Ian Midzion, the Ian Shir, why he allows you to use it even for a toothpick. We see over here. The Chachamim say you can't use it for a toothpick. You could take stuff that's in front of you or in the chutzner if you set it aside and you plan on using it, and you can use that to light a fire, to light a fireplace, to use it for cooking. However, to use it for a toothpick, you're not allowed to do that. We'll discuss this machlokas further in Iyam and Siyam. Mishnah Zion says, "Ein motzinas ta'or lo min ha'etzim v'lo min ha'avanim v'lo min ha'afar v'lo min ha'mayim." You're not allowed to produce fire. We know the Melacha Havara, you're allowed to kindle a fire. I mean, to light one thing from the next, you're allowed to do on Yantiv. However, to make a fire, take a match and strike a fire, you're not allowed to do on Yantiv. Whether you want to take the fire out from smashing rocks together, or wood together, or from dirt, or from mayim, water, you use water in a glass to create mayim, to create fire. You can't go ahead and singe or burn ra'afim, are basically pieces of your roof tiles. Ra'afim are basically tiles. You want to use them, you want to heat them up and then use them to fry something on them. You can't do that. But Amar Lezer, again, machshiri ochel nefesh is not allowed according to the Rabbanan. Amar Lezer, Omid Adam ala muksa erev shviyas, Shabbos b'shviyas, so Omer mikana ani ochel amachar. Lezer says, person can stand over produce. Right? Because during Shvi'as, you don't have to take off Shumas and Maisos. There's no problem. And you could say, from such and such produce, I'm going to eat tomorrow. And you don't specify which produce. Because he holds a Breira. When I take it tomorrow, that's the one I meant yesterday. The Chacham say you have to do a Rishima. You have to actually designate which stuff you're going to take from, because they hold an Ein Breira. They hold there's no such thing as a Breira. We don't assume that what I designated all these things yesterday, whichever one I decide tomorrow, you can't say retroactively. So therefore, retroactively is considered muksa, because we don't know which one you're going to take from yesterday. However, if you designated it from yesterday, then it's not muksa. That's the conclusion of today's share. Stay tuned for Iyam and Siyam, where I discuss the machlokas, Relezer, and the Chachamim and Mishnah Vav in greater detail.